Number 33. Which statement about meiosis is correct? Meiosis is a cell division to make sex cells, such as sperm cells or egg cells. And it forms 4 non-identical cells. So they're genetically non-identical. So A obviously is not correct. The chromosome number changes from haploid to diploid. No, it's the other way around. It starts with diploid and then turns into haploids. It is used to produce body cells. No, like I said, it is used to form sex cells. It allows the formation of new combinations of chromosomes. Yes, this is true. Because all these guys, the results, all these guys are they're genetically non-identical, which means the chromosomes are all in new combinations. Okay. So D is the correct answer for this question.